Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving deep into a topic that's absolutely crucial for any aspiring entrepreneur: choosing the right market. You can have the best product in the world, but if you're selling it to the wrong people, you're setting yourself up for a struggle. So, how do you find a market that's not just profitable, but evergreen? It all comes down to what I call the three core pillars of human desire: health, wealth, and relationships. These three areas represent the most powerful, timeless, and universal needs that people are always willing to spend money to improve. Get this right, and you're building your business on a rock-solid foundation. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about health. This is arguably the most fundamental pillar because, without our health, nothing else really matters. Think about it. People will do almost anything to feel better, look better, and live longer. The health market is vast and incredibly diverse. It's not just about doctors and hospitals. It includes everything from fitness and weight loss to nutrition, mental wellness, anti-aging, and alternative medicine. So, what makes the health pillar so powerful? The problems are urgent and deeply personal. When someone is in pain, feeling insecure about their body, or struggling with chronic stress, they are actively searching for a solution. Right now, they aren't just browsing, they are motivated buyers. For you, as an entrepreneur, this means a constant stream of demand. Let's look at some examples. In the fitness space, you have everything from high-intensity interval training programs and yoga apps to personalized coaching and specialized gym equipment. In nutrition, you see meal prep delivery services, dietary supplements, and guides for specific diets like keto or veganism. And don't forget the massive market for mental health, which includes meditation apps, online therapy platforms, and stress management courses. The benefit for you is clear. By tapping into the health market, you're addressing a primal human need. Your potential customers are highly motivated, and the market is constantly evolving with new science and trends, creating endless opportunities for innovation. Whether you're selling a physical product like a new type of water bottle, a digital product like a workout plan, or a service like life coaching, if you can genuinely help someone improve their health, you have a winning business model. Your audience will not only buy from you but will become loyal fans if you deliver real results. Now, let's move on to the second pillar: wealth. Just like health, the desire for financial security and abundance is a universal driver. People want to make more money, save more money, invest it wisely, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. The wealth pillar is all about helping people get from where they are to where they want to be financially. This market is massive because the problem it solves is perpetual. Bills always need to be paid, and the desire for a better lifestyle is always present. The wealth market isn't just about get-rich-quick schemes. Far from it. It's a sophisticated space that covers career development, investing, personal finance, entrepreneurship, and sales and marketing skills. Think about it. People will gladly pay for information or tools that can help them land a higher-paying job, start a successful side hustle, or make smarter investment decisions. Why? Because the return on investment is crystal clear. If a customer pays you $1,000 for a course that helps them earn an extra $10,000 a year, that's an easy decision for them to make. Let's explore some examples. In the career space, you have resume writing services, interview coaching, and courses on platforms like LinkedIn, learning that teach in-demand skills like coding or digital marketing. In the investing world, there are stock market analysis tools, newsletters about cryptocurrency, and educational programs on real estate investing. For entrepreneurs, the market is flooded with software-as-a-service tools, business coaching programs, and courses on how to run Facebook ads or build an e-commerce store. The key benefit of building a business in the wealth pillar is that your value proposition is incredibly tangible. You're not just selling a product. You're selling a direct path to a financial outcome. This makes your marketing message very powerful. You can speak directly to your audience's aspirations, whether it's escaping the 9-to-5 grind, buying their dream home, or retiring early. The demand is endless, and as the economy changes, new problems and opportunities constantly arise, ensuring your business can adapt and thrive for years to come. All right, that brings us to our third and final pillar: relationships. As human beings, we are social creatures. We have an innate need to connect, to be loved, and to belong. The relationship pillar taps into this deep-seated desire. This market is all about helping people improve their connections with others and with themselves. When relationships are going well, life feels amazing. When they're not, it can be a source of immense pain and frustration, and people will actively seek help to fix it. The relationship market is incredibly broad. It includes dating and romance, of course, but it also covers friendships, family dynamics, professional networking, and even self-love and confidence. The problems here are emotionally charged. Think about the person struggling to find a partner, the parent having a hard time connecting with their teenager, or the professional who feels awkward and unseen at networking events. These aren't minor inconveniences, they are major life challenges. Let's look at some real-world examples. The dating niche is huge, with countless dating apps, matchmaking services, and coaching programs designed to help people find love. Beyond romance, you have parenting advice, blogs and courses, communication workshops for couples, and masterminds for entrepreneurs looking to build their professional network. Even a course on public speaking falls under this pillar, as it helps people build confidence and connect more effectively with an audience. The big advantage of the relationship pillar is the potential for creating a deep, emotional connection with your audience. You're not just a business, you're a trusted guide helping them navigate some of the most important aspects of their lives. This fosters incredible loyalty and word-of-mouth marketing. When you help someone improve their marriage or build the confidence to make new friends, you've made a customer for life. The solutions you offer can be like teaching, and the testimonials you receive will be powerful and heartfelt, making your marketing authentic and compelling. So there you have it, the 3 evergreen pillars of market selection: health, wealth, and relationships. To recap, these are the markets where problems are urgent, customers are highly motivated, and the demand is timeless. When you're brainstorming your next business idea, ask yourself, does this fall into one of these 3 core categories? Am I helping someone get healthier, wealthier, or have better relationships? Of course, you can, and often should, niche down within these pillars. Instead of just fitness, you could focus on fitness for new moms over 40. Instead of just investing, you could specialize in sustainable investing for millennials. This is how you stand out. But by starting with one of these foundational pillars, you ensure your business is built on a core human desire that will never go out of style. You're tapping into a river of demand that will always be flowing. Choosing your market is one of the most important decisions you'll make as an entrepreneur. By anchoring your idea in health, wealth, or relationships, you're not just increasing your chances of success, you're positioning yourself to build a meaningful, impactful, and highly profitable business that stands the test of time. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this framework gives you clarity and direction as you build your own venture. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you on your entrepreneurial journey. Let me know in the comments which pillar your business idea falls into. I'd love to hear about it. See you in the next video.